Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 3520. This form is crucial for United States persons involved with foreign trusts or receiving large gifts from foreign individuals. It helps the Internal Revenue Service track international financial activities to prevent tax evasion. We'll cover who needs to file, what information is required, and important deadlines to ensure your submission is accurate and timely. Let's get started on this essential guide. Understanding who must file Form 3520 is critical. Generally, United States persons who establish a foreign trust, transfer assets to one, or receive distributions from a foreign trust are required to file. Additionally, if you receive gifts or bequests from a foreign person exceeding $100,000 in a calendar year, you must report it. This ensures transparency in international financial dealings and help with the main body complete. It's time to add those important details. Use your pencil to draw a home button at the bottom of the screen area and small volume controls on one side. On the back, sketch a tiny circle for the camera lens. For a more realistic look, cut a piece of different colored paper for the screen and glue it into place. To ensure a smooth filing process, be aware of common pitfalls. A frequent mistake is failing to attach all required statements or misinterpreting reporting thresholds. Double-check that every section of the form is accurately completed and that all supporting documents are included. Maintaining meticulous records for at least 3 years is also highly recommended. Following these tips will help you avoid penalties and ensure full compliance with the Internal Revenue Service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.